We consider Stanley Engineering Company to be state-of-the-art as we continually invest in the latest machining technology, such as our Makino Manufacturing Cell. Since we make no parts for ourselves, we provide these state-of-the-art capabilities to our customers who reap the benefits. For example, suppose a customer places an initial order for 1,000 parts needed in a hurry at an economical cost. To speed production, our Makino Cell can employ multiple milling machines, working simultaneously to make the same part. This machine can run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, much of the time, without staff being present. So our overall costs are much lower, which we can pass on to the customer. Now suppose our customer reorders the same part a year later, but only needs 100 by a specified date. With the Makino Cell, that's easy. This gives us the ability to set up a job once. When it comes back the second time, we don't have to charge for setup. And we have the ability to flex with demand on these machines from a part a day to 10 to 15 parts a day. Actual customer demand can be uploaded into the programmable controller to provide just-in-time deliveries on the parts they require. Our Makino Cell gives us maximum flexibility for the timely production and delivery of precision parts. A rail-guided vehicle selects the required pallet from the 3-level racking library and then transports it to machines capable of simultaneous 4-axis machining. Each machine has 219 perfectly balanced tools, which can spin at more than 20,000 RPM. This operation quickly transforms metal or other material into a precision part by milling, drilling, boring, or tapping as needed. Then the vehicle delivers the part to a work setting station, where an operator unloads and performs an initial inspection to assure that it meets your exact specifications and tolerances. We can provide a first-class quality part and make our customers' desired deliveries better than most of our competitors. So, trust your part needs to Stanley Engineering Company and you'll enjoy a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, staffed with a talented team, continually focused on outstanding customer service. Our shop is your shop.